So if you want to go live on Instagram, just get yourself ready and then swipe across. Just swipe, and that takes you to this page where you can post stories, reels, live. So just scroll and make sure live is selected, and then here make sure you choose everyone if you want everyone to see your live, or you can only have your live video to your close friends if you want to. Now in the top right corner, there are a couple of settings you can choose. So if you tap on that, you can choose whether you want your live to always start on the front camera, and then you can choose where your camera toolbar will be, either on the left or right hand side and whatnot. Okay, once you're done with that, you can come to the left here and add a title for your live. So for instance, I can call this the test live and add that as your title, so anyone looking or anyone who finds your live will know what your live is about. And then now, once you've set up everything, you can hit the button. It's going to give you a 3-second timer and your live begins. So as you can see, I'm currently live on YouTube, on Instagram. And when people find my live, they'll be able to join and watch my Instagram live. So let me join with my other phone so I can show you what that looks like. So you can see when other people go to Instagram, they should see in a few moments that I'll be live. Actually, I'll not be able to see with my other phone because I've only set it to close friends, actually. Okay, but anyway, the live is here. You can see that's the live menu. I have all the functions I need for my live. When people comment, they'll be coming here and I can add comments. I can accept requests to join my live from here if anyone is requesting, and also I can invite people to join my live from here. Okay, so that's basically how to go live. Once you're done, you can just tap on the X button in the top right corner and tap on end now, and then you can either share that as a video, or you can just tap on discard media, or you can view in live archive. So you can tap on that and it's going to be saved in your archive where you can access it later. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.